You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in British English and in American English, because yes, they do have different pronunciations across the pond. The British English pronunciation is pronounced as pity. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned, I got more for you. Pity, P-T. The American English pronunciation, used more commonly in the US, is as pity, P-D, with a flap T, what's called a flap T, that sounds essentially like a D. So pity in the US or pity everywhere else. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.